Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware. Make sure your TV supports 4K HDR and the HDMI port is the right generation. Next, connect a certified high-speed HDMI cable to that HDMI 2, 0 or 2, one port on both TV and source. This prevents bandwidth limits. Once done, power on the source device and switch the TV input to that HDMI port. You do this now so the TV can detect the capabilities and present HDR options in settings without guessing or manual overrides. You now dive into display controls. Open the TV's picture or external device settings for the connected HDMI port. Enable Enhanced HDMI, HDMI UD color, or similar per port option so the TV accepts higher bandwidth signals. Then configure the source device's output to 4K at the desired refresh rate, 60Hz or 120Hz, and choose an HDR format supported by both devices, like HDR10 or Dolby Vision. Doing both sides ensures accurate color, contrast. Finish by fine-tuning picture settings. Pick a picture mode optimized for HDR, increase peak brightness, and use HDR tone mapping or local dimming if available so highlights render correctly. Play verified HDR content and check on-screen resolution and HDR indicators to confirm 4K HDR. If the TV shows incorrect color, no HDR tag, or reduced resolution, swap the HDMI cable. Try a different HDMI port, restart devices, and install firmware updates. These troubleshooting steps resolve most handshake or compatibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.